Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out here getting ready to carve this big piece of log. This has been cut in half. I was recently watching Ryan Cook do a live stream video. He was carving up a really cool piece, you know, so I was there hanging out. It was here on YouTube. He was doing a live stream. So Ryan was carving and me and other people watching were, you know, following along. By the way, Ryan's an awesome carver. You guys should go check out his channel, Ryan Cook Carves. I'll have a link to that down in the description. So anyway, I was there chatting with people, and my good buddy Jordy Johnson from Carving Fusion, another link I'll leave down in the description, decided to challenge me to a chainsaw carving contest amongst friends, amongst pals. We're pals, so you know. He wants us to carve Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas. So I've already seen Jordy starting this really cool, big, awesome piece, and you know, he's got a plan. He's mentioned it. He's got a plan. So I don't have too much of a plan. I've got a couple photos printed out. I've got this big chunk of wood here, and you know what? I'm gonna try to carve this thing all out of one piece. We may have to reattach an arm or a hand, but if I don't have to, I'm gonna try to get away without doing that. Now, the thing that makes it tough is the grain runs this way. So when we get into doing the arm, it might break off. We may have to glue a new piece on, and the same thing over here. So we'll kind of see how that goes and see what happens. But the plan is we'll have Jack standing here, you know, in his pose with a leg back, kind of think hand here, hand back sort of thing like that. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're gonna fire up the saws though. We'll be using steel chainsaws, using saber-tooth bits and power tools to clean it up. And yeah, if you guys haven't, be sure to check out their channels. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell and hit all. You guys will be alerted to all my new uploads. So yeah, I'm gonna sip some coffee and let's start making some sawdust. Hey Jordy, this one's for you, buddy. I know how much you like those wolf spiders. See that guy? Right there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Arr, arr, arr. That's for you, Jordy. Give you guys a quick look here. So all I got left to do is I'm gonna get out the battery saws tomorrow and clean everything up and put his face in. So as far as running chainsaws goes, that'll be it. We'll clean up his leg over here and we'll clean the piece up with the battery saws. We'll put all the big saws away. So what do you think about that, Jordy? Guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is day 2 for me. Probably the same video for you guys though. I think I'm gonna have to make this a 2-part carve, alright? Got a lot of footage chainsaw carving, and I'm gonna have a lot of footage detailing and painting. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit like, hit subscribe. I am gonna continue to do some chainsaw work in this video though. We're gonna wrap it up with the battery saws, kind of hone in and refine this shape. And if I do a part 2, that video will be all power tools and paint work, you know, unless I really need to use the saw. So make sure you guys are keeping an eye out for part 2, as I might just upload it right after part 1. If part 1 is here on Friday, part 2 will be on Saturday. If not, they'll both be on Saturday. So anyway, guys, here it is, second day, busting out my Let's Carve t-shirt. You guys can find these at my Teespring account, link down below in the description. Also check out my Etsy store, check out the Teespring, follow me on social media. You guys can see what's going on with my day-to-day, and yeah, let's finish the chainsaw work. think that's going to be it for the chainsaw work, and that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to walk you guys around this whole piece right now, all just chainsaw. Like I said, the next video, we're going to go ahead and pull out the power tools with my saber-tooth bits, the sanders, get them all cleaned up, finish the eyes, the nose, the mouth, detail everything, and then we'll start airbrushing and some paint and get the piece finished. But if you guys haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, be checking out Jordy Johnson over at Carving Fusion as he's making one, because this is a carving challenge, right? He challenged me to carve this guy, and so he's carving one up himself. And I gotta tell you, he already put one video out and it's looking pretty good. It is a monster of a carving. He's definitely got me in the height range, but it's looking like a real cool piece. Really hope you guys are enjoying this. Be sure to check out Part 2. It'll either be popping up here if it's ready. If not, it'll be here soon. So hit all when you hit that bell, when you hit subscribe, and you guys won't miss it. Let's take a quick walk around. Everything is one piece, guys. Carving all these voids. I had to be careful as to how I carved it down so I didn't take away material too soon. You know, if I removed the supporting material before I did the detail work, the possibilities of things coming apart are very real. So as you guys can see here, these fingers are cut right out. Now part of them are touching, so it'll help support that lower piece. I don't know, it's part of that tail he's got, you know, for his suit. Right through the legs. Got my dogs barking in the background. Alright guys, it's going to be it, and I will see you in the next video.